In previous lecture we have discussed extrude command, low fit command and chamfer command. Now we will see how we can modify our shapes by using different tools, and how we can detach a face of an object, how we can rotate that face of an object, how we can redefine that face, and other tools related to an object. For example, I want to create a shallow hole on this object. First I will select that object and modify shape, and here I will decide I want to create shallow hole outside of this, in center of or inside, and I will decide the thickness of that shallow. The shape is automatically formed according to the dimension of predefined shape. You can check the preview. Just click on OK. Now you can see that if I change the property of this object, the transparency, now you can see that there is a shallow hole inside that shape. Here is the shallow hole has been created in the middle of shape. If I want to create it on the face of an object, now you can see that we can create from the face of shape. It has been created from the face of shape. In this way we can use the command when we are designing any antenna related to waveguide. We can create the waveguide by using this tool. Now let's see how we can modify the face of an object. Just pick the face of that object and go on to modify face. Here the dialog box will appear. If you want to offset that face, you can move it or you can remove it. I want to move that face. I can preview this. The face has been moved. Here you can see that from face the object has been moved. Press on OK, you can see that the object has been redefined. We can also rotate that object. We can also redefine the face of an object by using you can set the distance from a plane to a plane. In any plane, X plane, Y plane, Z plane. And we can also parameterize the values